We're now storing a product with all the data we need. Now we should also display all that real data and don't show any dummy data anymore. So for that, let's go to our product list EJS file, which is one of the views where we do display all products. And there we already output the real product title, but that's it. The image source, for example, is something we should now also replace. We can simply add our EJS expression in there and output image URL. And this will be a string that should be a valid URL, so this should be displayable. Now for the alternative text, we can also use the title again. So I simply copied the EJS expression up there. For the price, let's say it's always dollars. So I will keep the dollar sign here as hard-coded text and then output product price. And for the description here, I will of course also replace the dummy text with my description as it is saved in the product. Now all old products will not fulfill this new structure. So in the data folder in products.json, I will actually remove them all from that array here so that it's an empty array again. With that, back in product list, this is looking good. Now in index.js, we have the same logic, so we can simply copy that and back in index.js, simply replace it. Now, if I reload my app, on shop and products, we got no products, but if I add a new one, this is a test product or simply a book. Let's search an image. I picked a URL here and insert it here. Then let's add a price, $19.99. And this is an awesome book. Sounds like a good title. Now you can press add product. And right now, this does not support decimal numbers. To fix this, we can change something in the add product view. There on the number input, we simply have to add a step attribute and set the step to 0.01. This means you can have, well, 2 decimal places essentially and increment in this step size. I'll save this but not reload. For now, I'll simply go with a number without decimal places to not lose my other data and hit add product. And indeed, on the starting page, it's now showing this product with all the data I entered. So now we improved that and we made a major step forward. Therefore, on both these pages, obviously we see it. Let's now, of course, also work on making sure that as an admin, we also see the products here and we then not just see them, but we can also edit or delete them. That will be the next step.